What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now just recently we fitted the screen protector to the Pro M4 from Spigen. If you haven't seen that, we'll put it up here for you guys to check out. When we fitted it, we were thinking, well, there should be some cases on the way surely. So when the screen protector got fitted, it's absolutely fantastic, by the way, but as you can see it does show up all the reflections, but it's not so bad when you're like watching a movie, content and stuff like that. It doesn't really make any difference to the screen. All the OLED looks fantastic. But then Spigen sent me an email and said, Paul, iPad cases are on the way. And I was like, right, okay. So there must have been a bit of a delay. Nonetheless, I got home the other night and they're here. So right now we've got this one. We have got two, but this is the first video. So we got the Rugged Armor Pro for the iPad Pro M4. They have sent out the 13-inch version. It's in black. It says black on the bottom right there. Nothing really on the back, but we need the trusty unboxing knife to slice through the sticky pads on the side. So let's go ahead and get that open. So we don't get nothing else in the box. It's just literally the case only. So if we pop this open like so. Now the Rugged Armor is always a case that I tend to go for the iPhones and the Samsungs and stuff like that. I've done it for years. The Rugged Armor has always been the one I go for, and that's mainly down to the carbon fibre accents all over it. Now with this being the Rugged Armor as well, it's got like points here. It's got like nice hardened points, so in case it drops and stuff. And then over the top, as you can see, this folds over and it opens out if you take that out. So you got this like spider webbing inside, and it's for shock absorption, so it's a nice TPU lining. There's a bit of felt right here at the top, and you can see what they've put in now. They've put an actual gap in for the Apple Pencil, so it doesn't sit over the top anymore, and it's nice and protected, so you're not going to like lose it when you put your iPad in. So if I grab my M4 iPad Pro, take the Apple Pencil Pro off the top, place it inside the case, so go bottom side first, and then click in on the corners. Okay, so now that is in, and when I say that's in, I mean that is in there. But at least we know it works also as well with the screen protector, which is a bonus, because like some cases and stuff, it just ruins the screen protector. And when you take your Apple Pencil Pro, and then if you place it in the right slot, click it into place, and then there you go. As you can see, it's charging, but now it's nice and protected. And also as well, what you do now is you fold the back, fold it like so, and now stand it up, watch your content, watch your shows, etc. But of course you can also go ahead and sit it down in this position if you wanted to draw or type. So this is also an option for you to have it in this mode. So rather than it standing up and you're watching content, you can have it in this mode to get some work done. Folds over, snaps into place, and then this will stop it from flipping out. And then there you go. But what I've just noticed, no Spigen logo on the front right here. So now you've got the one Spigen logo just on the back. I'm pretty certain these used to have Spigen wrote on the side here. Your camera is nice and recessed into that housing. Nice tactile buttons. You cut out up there for your speakers, and you got these raised corners here too, so that's for your drop protection. It's all the way around the case. Cut out for your charge port, no cutouts on the bottom. The iPad is nice and protected inside the Rugged Armor, and it also keeps it nice, sleek and minimal as well. So nothing to worry about there. It feels great, it looks great, it's nice, it's sleek. It's not as big as like the keyboard cases I've been using recently, because I've been putting them in my bag and they take up so much room and they weigh so much too. So it's nice just to have a case on the iPad right now. But there we go. So let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. Is this something you would consider going for? And as I say, there'll be a playlist at the very end of the video for the iPad Pro where you can see cases, screen protectors. We've got a lot more to come, so make sure you get ready, get subscribed for that. If there's anything you want to see for the iPad Pro, be sure to let me know in the comment section and we'll try and make it happen. But I'll also leave a link to where you can pick this case up for yourself along with the screen protector to protect your brand new iPad Pro. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn those notifications on. I'll see you in the next one, which is going to be very soon. See you soon, guys.